All right, thanks.
Now,
Okay, so I guess let's get started going over the problems.
to be honest, I
Yeah,
was confused by the last part.
the velocity question.
The problem 4, I was confused by that one. But let's start with the
Y-
first problem.
Okay, yeah.
That
Uh,
is,
sorry.
sorry. I was just gonna say for those, it was really easy, right? We were just doing the normal find the slope, like x2 minus x1 over. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
I got,
Uh,
okay, look, are we all on problem 1? Do we all see it?
Yes,
yeah.
yes,
So there was a table that we had to fill out based on the secant line that got closer and closer to the point 1, 1. So did you all get 3, 4? X3,
yes,
y equals 4.
Yes,
Then
yes.
2.5, 3.5.
yep,
The MPQ.
MPQ. Yes,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
MPQ.
Uh-huh.
2x MPQ 3.
yep,
X 1.5 MPQ 2.5.
yep.
Correct.
Yes?
Yes.
Did
And
we
then
all get that?
2.1 and 2.01.
Yeah, okay. So MPQ is the slope of the secant line,
Mm-hmm.
Right.
just to make sure. All right.
And you could also see that from where it starts, just like I guess plateauing out. So like how it's like goes from 2.5 to 2.1 to then 2.01. You could also then tell what your tangent slope is going to be, in which in this case it would be 2 because
Yes,
it starts to just slowly plateau at that number. So
yes, that's what I got too. So
yeah.
Will got the slope is 2.
Uh-huh. And so yeah, and
Is
for
that for below the second chart?
It's problem 2. Do you know
Okay,
where
yeah,
problem 2? That's where it is. That's where we are now.
yeah. Okay.
and so yeah, the MPQs though, for the other part of problem 1, I got -1, 0, 1, 1.5, 1.9, and 1.99.
Yep.
That is exactly what
Got
I
that.
got. Good job for you all.
Thank you.
By the way, Dana, why can't I see you, if I may ask?
I don't know. I was trying to figure it out. I'll try fixing it again.
Okay, all right.
Okay, and okay, so let's see. For problem 3, um, using a guess for slope of the tangent line, find the slope intercept equation um, of the tangent line to curve y equals x squared at the point p 1, 1. So what I did was I used the point slope formula. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And I took the point P and I basically I took that point and then I used the slope of the tangent line as my M, and then I just uh algebraed it out and I got y equals 2x minus 1.
Yep.
That's a go
Okay,
too. All right.
perfect. Problem 4,
Um,
uh I stopped over here.
Me too.
yeah, I
Yeah.
didn't do that one. If I'm being honest, I forgot how to use Desmos, so I couldn't like plug it in and figure
I
it
was
out.
confused
Yeah.
by problem 4. So uh, it's y equals x cubed minus 25.
Where are you looking?
No, problem 4. It's
Hmm.
the curve is y equal, well, it's the formula is y equals x cubed minus 25. The point of the tangent is at the point 500. So essentially, we're supposed to do the same thing that we did for the previous problem, except this time including different values. So I got for 4.9 MPQ 73.5.
Uh 73.5.
MPQ, the
Oh,
slope.
for your MPQ. Yeah, I didn't get there.
Yeah, I honestly
Well, let's do it together.
okay. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Yeah. All right.
Sorry,
So
I was just trying to figure out what's wrong with my camera. first, but you can keep talking, obviously.
By the
You
way,
probably
guys,
got something away.
I need to ask you something that is not
Yes.
exactly, well, actually, it is related to this one. Did you all get the message that you'd have another group member joining us?
Yes, but I looked in the person tab and she wasn't in there
Me too.
anymore.
That's what I had too. I was wondering if you guys knew anything about that.
I
I'm
don't have any
not
messages.
sure yet.
Not on my behalf.
She didn't, all I got was that she was added and then nothing after that. And I
Me
can't
too.
find her or anything, so.
I'm right now logging into my account. Yeah, I only see the three of us. I don't
I
see.
think I know why your video is not working.
Oh,
I
why?
don't know if you did it, but do you see that little arrow next to stop video? There's like
Yeah.
a microphone, and so press on that arrow, and what do you have as for like select a camera?
It just says integrated camera, which honestly, I don't know what that means.
Are you using a MacBook?
No, this
Ah,
is just
yeah.
a random laptop, Lenovo.
Yeah, like over here, it has for me FaceTime HD camera. Well, I mean,
HD camera. Oh, there's an option for that, but I don't know if it's gonna work.
but I mean, it doesn't really matter though.
Did
I
it
mean, we're
work?
just here to solve these problems and go on about our day. So,
Right. I'll just try to figure out for the next time, I guess.
Mhm.
So the point stays the same. The point P is 5/100. But we essentially subtract and divide. So 4.9 for the formula. So I use Desmos. It said to use Desmos. I used Desmos.
Mhm.
Yeah. How did you plug it into Desmos? You
Easy. Well, relatively. Well, one second.
did you type in the y equals x cubed minus 25 first?
No, I just looked at the line and
If you're
I
on Desmos right now, is it possible for you to share your screen?
yes, it is. I'll do it right now.
Thanks.
Sure. Share screen. Okay, do you see it?
Just give it a second. I think it's yeah. Okay,
There
I
we
see
go.
it. Mhm.
Now we're doing it in real life. So you see, this is the graph. X cubed minus 25. You see it, right?
Yeah.
Now, look at my mouse. X equals 4.9. I just climb up. It's one of the good features of Desmos. I climb up and there. Here is the exact value,
Mhm.
Oh,
92.649. Well,
So funny. Instead of doing it like that, I actually like physically plugged in the 4.9, and then I cubed in. Man, it took me like 10 minutes.
well, it's a
Yeah.
shortcut.
I was wondering if that's what you were supposed to do. I wasn't sure.
I saw it happen. I saw it done by someone else. So I think it's the way. So 4.9.9265. That's how I rounded it.
Uh-huh.
And then we're supposed to do it to be exact, 92.65 minus 100. Then divide that by 4.9 minus 5, right?
And what does that get you? Your MPQ?
It should.
Wait. Okay. So I didn't get there yet. So
Okay, let's wait.
can you just repeat to me the steps, and I'll try writing it down right now.
Well, I am doing it like the previous problem.
Mhm.
It was a model for this one. So we're supposed to, the point P stays the same. In the previous one, 1, 1. But the point on the parabola shifted ever so closer to 1, 1. Did you notice that?
Yeah. Okay. Mhm.
And it changed. Yeah, it changed 0.25 or 0, 0, -1, 1. The blue point. Okay, anyway, so the same thing is supposed to be done here. So x on the cubic formula 4.9. And it's the x is 4.9. The y value for that is 92.65.
Mhm.
Do you see how I got that?
So yeah. Wait. Okay. So from there to get the Q, would I take the point P, which over here it says it's 5/100, and I'll do like 100 minus 92.65 over 4.9. I mean over 5 minus 4.9.
Yes, that's what you would do.
Okay. Okay. Sick. I was just I wanted to make sure. I'll do that right now.
It doesn't matter in which way. By the way, I noticed that if it's 92.65 minus 100, you would get a negative value. Negative
Yeah,
7.35 to be exact.
and then divided by the other number.
4.9 minus 5, which is negative
Negative.
0.1.
Yes.
Either way, you'll get a positive value because negative or
Yeah.
over negative is positive. You'll know that, right?
Oh, yes. Well, thank you. Now it makes sense.
So you should get 73.5.
Yep.
And then you do the same thing for the next value, 4.99. So here's my mouse. I bring it closer to 4.99 here. There. Do you see my cursor for the value? 4.99. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Yes.
99.251.
Hmm.
And then you just use the same P
Yes.
values. Okay.
You're supposed to get 75.
Doing it right now.
Okay, yep, that's what I got.
Right?
Remind me what you got for the 4.9, 92.65 coordinate again. Want to make sure I'm doing it right. I got negative 3.4.
What do you?
For which one?
The MPQ for the 92.65 coordinate.
Mm,
I got 73.5.
Huh. No, yeah, I'm sorry. I
oh
guess
yeah.
Wait, the MPQ for 4.9 is supposed to be 73.5.
yeah, I'm sorry. I think I made a mistake here.
And then the next one's 75.
Yes, it gets closer to 75. The more nines that are added to it, the closer it is to 75. As in the previous problem.
Yeah.
By the way, the x value is below 5, whereas in the second graph, it's above 5. So in the first graph, you're counting up to 75, while in the second graph, you're counting down from 75.
Mm.
You're counting down to 75, yeah.
Okay.
Right?
Yes, yeah. 4 point.
So the slope of the tangent line is supposed to be 75.
Right, because that's where it meets.
Yes. The tangent line does not intersect. The secant does intersect it at 2 points, but the tangent may not intersect it. It can touch, but only just touch. No more. Another very important thing to remember.
Hmm.
So can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean, we went silent. We went silent all of a sudden.
sorry.
No, just I'm sorry. I have like three more of these to solve. So
Okay,
For
okay.
the
Take your time. I'm sorry.
4.9991, it's not, how'd you get it to pop up on the Desmos?
I couldn't.
Oh,
I just guessed it to be 75. I mean, it was obvious that it was getting close to 75. Yeah, I
alright.
couldn't get it to further than the 3 nines. I couldn't do that.
hey, curious question. Do you guys read the textbook or like do you like teach yourself all the stuff from like YouTube? Because I'm gonna be real, this is like my first ever online course, and it being Calc 1 also, that's gonna be kind of a problem. So I just like want to know like how you guys go about this course, I guess, and previous math courses online.
If I'm being honest, this is also my first online course,
Oh,
so I'm just gonna wing it. But I just got the textbook yesterday, so I haven't even looked at it. I'll probably do both, honestly, read the textbook and watch YouTube videos if I'm still not sure.
yeah, because like until now, honestly, I've just been like I've been like doing these questions and like watching organic chemistry tutor, and it's honestly been helping. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll probably have to do the same.
This is my third time doing calculus.
Oh,
Really?
congrats.
I had some issues doing it.
Nah,
I,
that's okay.
My
I
roommate.
I mean, I did it in high school, but I'm redoing it now.
Me too. Look, I actually got a textbook from the library, a different one, not the exact one. And I also got an online textbook that you're supposed to get for the course. That's what I did.
Yeah, I did the online one.
Okay, I finally finished getting all the MPQs for problem 4. So wait, the slope of the tangent line, what did we say it was again?
75,
75.
75. Okay.
right?
Yeah.
I'll tell you guys what I got for my MPQs.
What?
That's all right. So for the X being 4.9, I got 75. 4.99, I got 75. 4.999, I got 50. 4.9999, I got 0. 5.1, I got 76.5. 5.01, 75. 5.001, I got 80. 5.0001, I got 100. So, I'm just curious in this situation with the MPQs, I guess, not exactly plateauing towards like a certain number. How did you guys get 75 as the slope of the tangent line? Like, how did
Um,
you guys figure it out?
Well,
I
let's take the
actually,
first one, for example.
Mhm.
4.9, the x equals 4.9. So the 2 points are 5, 100. It stays the same throughout the whole thing. 4.9, comma, 92.65, right?
Mhm.
So let's do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right?
Yeah.
Is that the formula? So 92.65 minus 100. What do we get?
92.65 minus 100, we get let me get you the exact number.
Negative 7.35.
Hmm. Yeah.
Over 4.9 minus 5. What is 4.9 minus 5?
Negative 0.1.
So you would multiply, you would divide 7.35 over 0.1.
Yeah.
What do you get?
You get just give me a second. 73.5. Oh
Yes.
shoot. So I calculated it wrong. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to go back on these.
That's okay.
All right. And so let's see. Find the slope intercept equation. So that's this point slope again.
So the slope would be 75.
Yeah.
Now 75x, and there has to be the y-intercept. That's what I'm not sure of.
Well,
I put for 4.99 and 4.999, I just put 74.9 for both.
I put
And then the
75.
last, oh, for,
I didn't see any point in. I just put 75.
okay. I'll do it for the last two.
Perhaps, though, maybe you're right. Maybe I should do the 74.99.
No, I mean, I'm sure it's the same anyway.
Well,
I'll put both. I'll put 74.9 or 75. Hopefully she'll take that.
well, we'll understand that it's approaches 75 in both cases.
Yeah.
Can I tell you guys what I got for the slope intercept equation?
Yes, what do you get?
Mhm.
What? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Yes, what did you get?
Uh, y equals 75x minus 275. You guys get the same thing?
We should.
Yeah, that's what I got.
I'm right now checking
Wait.
Desmos, by the way.
Two. What?
Yeah.
I want to see if it touches the 100. Because the tangent is supposed to touch the 100 exactly.
100.
Do you see it? Okay, yeah. That's what I got to.
All right. Sick.
75x minus 275.
Okay, and so last question. Describe how you find the average velocity of an object over a given time interval. So what did you guys exactly do for this one?
I wrote this essentially. You take two different points the object occupies. You divide the change in the two velocities over the time interval.
Right. That's basically what I put. The distance divided by the time it took for it to cover the distance.
Oh, actually, yeah, thank you. Distances, those wrong. Distances. Thank you for Dena, right?
No problem. Yep.
Dena, yeah. So distance over time. There are two different distances. So the change in the distance over the time interval, right? Did you get something of that
Yes.
sort?
Yeah.
Well, thank you for showing up. I was actually nervous. It's my first time ever hosting a Zoom meeting.
You killed it, man. You killed it.
Yeah, you did better than me. I would not have been able to figure it out. I'm not good with technology, like at all.
Have you
Got this
ever?
meeting going, and we did what we had to do, and now we can finally
Has-
submit this.
Yes.
Did we have to answer those prompt questions that she posted?
Probably, yeah.
Prompt, what are you talking about? What prompt questions?
She wants us to talk about Like, what was the easiest on this assignment? What was the most difficult thing on this assignment? And one more
Oh,
thing that I
geez, I
forgot.
forgot about that. Oh,
Yeah.
I was so caught up
Well,
in examining everything that we did that I forgot about the prompt questions. Geez. Wow.
Yeah, and remember this in your discussion. Wait, no, not that. In your recording, each group member must have visible their full name displayed. No, okay, that doesn't matter. Just I'm trying to find the important part. Just give me a sec. Oh yeah. After completing the lab worksheet, your group must record a 6 to 10 minute discussion summarizing your learning experience together.
oh,
Record the
my,
discussion. So I'm just like, don't forget to don't forget to upload this recording.
Yes, I know.
oh yeah.
Yeah.
And then, oh wait. Oh, because only you will get the recording, right?
No, I'm pretty sure we can all get it.
I'm recording right
Oh.
now.
Okay, yeah, you know what?
Would you mind just sending the link of the recording in an email, please?
Yeah.
Just in case.
All right, I'll do that.
All right, appreciate it.
But let's do the prompts. Right, I forgot
Yeah.
about the prompts themselves. What was the hardest or most unclear learning objective from this lab?
The hardest was 4A,
Me too.
figuring out how to plug in the numbers, but once you explained it, it was pretty easy.
For me, the most difficult was the tangent line. It was what was the y-intercept for 75x, y equals 75x. At first, I made a mistake. I thought that anyway, I was supposed to use the two lines, the 2 points rather,
Uh-huh.
in each.
For me, I'd say it wasn't really hard. It was just really monotonous. Uh, getting
Right.
the other coordinate for the point Q.
Yeah,
I mean, yeah, I didn't use Desmos, so that was just it wasn't hard. It was just very repetitive, monotonous.
right. Yeah, the Desmos, once I figured it out, it got a little bit easier.
Mhm.
Prompt number 2. What was the easiest or most familiar learning objective from this lab?
The first one, just finding slope, the normal easy way.
Like two
X2
minus.
or Y2. Yeah, sorry.
Me too. That part was easy for me also.
Oh wait, you said you took this course before, right?
Yes.
So what do you think we should what do you think I guess we should be most prepared for, look out for in this course? Because like this is obviously like some really easy stuff right now, but like
It gets
what do
harder
you think is
as
like
you
the
go on.
most
One thing I recommend to do is she posts videos. Those videos are her lessons.
And they're helpful.
I'll show you. Do you
which
see the
videos?
screen right
I
now?
videos from her, except for that little
Mine
YouTube.
are just all locked until I submit the assignment, which is,
Do you see my screen right now, by the way?
Yeah, I
yeah,
see it.
All right, let's go to modules. Are you seeing this? Just,
yes.
for example, here's the 2.1 lesson.
Oh, okay.
And here's Desmos, by the way.
Oh, perfect. I was
And here
planning
are the
on watching
videos.
that tonight anyway.
All these videos make up the basis for, and there's a quick check. So essentially, watch the videos. Watch all of them in order.
Wait a
Those will
minute,
explain everything and what.
see your module page again for just a second. So everything is already unlocked for you, like just like from the get-go.
That's because,
Like,
oh, not for you. Yeah, she explained that to me. Yeah, I know. What is not locked for, what is still locked for you?
okay, let me see.
Did you get the testing agreement?
Yeah. I got that. Wait, I'm pulling it up right now.
If you have to unlock more of the stuff, mark assignment as done. There's a button next to start
Oh,
assignment. Do you see it? And it says mark assignment as done. That will open up the rest of the coursework.
oh, cool. Thank you.
Oh, so you actually have to like submit it yet. Okay.
You don't submit it yet. You just mark it as done. That opens up everything else in that module.
Hmm.
Uh-huh. Okay.
I'm just
All
kind of
right.
running out of time. I'm getting nervous because I'm running out of time. Well, wait, one more question. There's one more question remaining. The third
Okay.
prompt. What do you wonder about the lab concepts?
Nothing. Well, kind of. Well, no,
Well, for me,
nothing.
it's how I'm still confused about the tangent, how it transforms from secant to tangent, how it goes from crossing the equation at 2 points to only touching it at one. That's one thing I need to
Oh,
make sure about.
actually, I was wondering that too. Like in the beginning when there was only 1 point at the in the last graph. In the
Yes,
first question, I mean. I'll have to look over it too, probably. It's been a while since I've learned this stuff.
okay, I'm just running out of time. There's a time limit for this thing. And I'm
Oh,
supposed to submit this to YouTube.
yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we covered everything.
Called
I think.
yeah. Well, so when you end this session, it'll just like offer you the recording. So you just press save recording. It'll give it to you either as like an MP4 or just a link. And so whichever way you get it, just if you can,
Okay,
send it over, please.
of course. Okay,
Please and thank you.
thank you.
Well, it was
Thank
nice meeting you guys.
You as
Oh,
well.
sorry.
you. Have a good one.
You as well, all
You
of you.
too.
Bye.
Bye.